No! Oh, man, why did I have to pick this niche as a career? Why did I have to do something? Why couldn't I have done, like, crochet or knitting or, like, finger painting or something? Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes of all ages, welcome back to Lou Cartoons. I am Looney Lou, and yesterday, we finally kicked Jimmy's—
Are you listening? Damn.
So 2 weeks ago, I posted a video where I took on a challenge to beat Jimmy Broadbent's world record in an Aston Martin, okay? Needless to say, I failed miserably. At the end of that video, I promised you guys a part 2, which is why I'm sitting here and filming today. For the last week, since I posted that video, I have sat in my simulator every day for at least an hour, taking the Mustang and full setting on Fuller Mountain Ascent, working on getting closer and closer and closer, oh hello Frank, to beating that time. Even he's excited for this. You gotta cover your butthole, buddy. That's censored material right there. Yeah, there you go. Face the camera. Yeah, you got the right idea. Look at you go. Every day I've taken off a little bit of time and gotten better and better and better. Well, I owe you guys an apology. I genuinely lost track of what the goal was, and I just got so focused on beating my own time every day. Today is day 7, and I went back to reflect, and good news and bad news. Good news, I beat the goal, okay? Which is absolutely amazing. Last week, the fastest time was to beat Guildmaster and thereby become the fastest Canadian, which I have done today. So in order to make today interesting, I have set 2 more goals, all right? Everyone knows who Jimmy Broadbent is, but not everyone knows who Silver Jesko is. So here I am at 78. Silver is all the way up. Where is he? Here he is, 44th, all right? With a time of 2:48.5, we'll say. I'm not gonna lie, for the first 3 days, it was really easy to find like 2 seconds here, 4 seconds there, big things that added up. Yesterday and the day before that, like the last couple days, it was like a half second here, 1 second, and then maybe another half second. Like the increments get smaller and smaller the faster and faster you go, because you're just grinding the limit constantly. And man, that is a test of skill. So today's new goals, I have 2 of them. 1, become top 50, and 2, to beat Silver to make this video entertaining. I don't know if I'm scared or excited for this, honestly. Anyways, becoming top 50 should be relatively easy. That's gonna be a 1 second difference, a 1 second faster than what I did. But to beat Silver to find 2 seconds, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be straight with you guys, this is looking pretty grim, but I'm gonna give it my best. For those of you who don't know who Silver Jesko is, he is another YouTuber, and honestly, he's one of the dudes that inspired me to not only make a YouTube channel, but also, like, take on editing as hard as I have. I think one of the first videos I ever saw about Dirt Rally happened to be him setting a world record in the Audi Quattro, and after that, I was just fascinated with the whole, like, Dirt Rally aspect, the whole video editing aspect, the whole, like, everything. So for today's episode, we are gonna load up the tuning that I have been using for the last several days. This is it. It is nothing crazy. I have done nothing with the dampings. It's mostly the springs and ride height that I've messed with. Tires, soft, start. For those of you who are curious, I have 180 degrees of steering set up, so it's basically half a rotation side to side. I am shifting using paddles, and I'm using this as my e-brake, my shifter column. Give it a second. Warm up round. Excellent warm-up round. No! Oh! Man, why did I have to pick this niche as a career? Why did I have to do something? Why couldn't I have done like crochet or knitting or like finger painting or something? Off to a smashing start. This is usually how my sessions go, unfortunately. As you guys can see, I've turned off Phil's voice. You can also see I've turned off the progress bar, which shows me my sector times on the left side. And I've also turned off timing in general, which just shows me how I'm doing overall. That's the number that flashes in the middle of the screen. I've turned all of them off just because like I find it distracting. Like if you ever do something like this, you'll get to a point where you find like you just kind of know what's coming. And if anything, Phil's voice in the background is just distracting you. Because even though he's calling it a 4-long right or whatever, you're going to take it flat out. You're not going to like lift or anything. So it's just distractions that I'm trying to eliminate and just focus. I'll leave the timing things on so that you guys can see what's going on. And for those of you that didn't watch the last video, you can also see that I have the graphics set to ultra low. That way, it eliminates the grass and stuff, like the texture, so that you can see where you are actually able to cut. I'm gonna give myself 90 minutes to get this done. That's an hour and a half. That should be plenty to find 2 seconds, and if I can't do it within that, I don't know what to say. I just 90 minutes, all right? 3 and 2 and 1 and up. That's the other thing. As soon as you take like the hairpin wrong or like have one offline moment, you may as well just restart. Because if we're going for time, a half second in sector 1 is almost too much to sacrifice. Yo. Just get it all the way through. Just have a nice relaxed run. Who cares about time? Off to a fantastic start. Not horrible. Ah, nuts. Damn it. Oh god. Oh, not again. Jeez. Oh no. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, just for fun. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There. Fly all. Well, I'm trying to maximize my top speed because there are some moments where I'm just flat out for like 5 to 10 seconds or so. So I want to make the most of that. That should help me out a little bit. That's... Why? Hey guys, sorry for rage quitting on you. Listen, so that 80-something tries took me over 3 hours to do, so I wouldn't be on the limit and failed the challenge. I have my emotional support kitty. I took a nap, I had a snack, and I feel a lot better. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to give you the fastest clip I was able to accomplish yesterday. All right? All right, stay tuned, my goons. I'll see you in the next one.